Hi everybody, Kit Cox here, CEO of Innate. This is a quick musing over my morning coffee, but I thought I'd pop it online because I think it'll help quite a lot of people understand something about the RPA market. So, I've been seeing quite a lot of banking types recently, and a question I've been asked by every single one of them is, do I think that the RPA market is going to be a winner-take-all market? i.e., is it going to be like Facebook? And my answer is pretty simple on that. And the answer is no. I don't think it's going to be anything like a Facebook kind of market. And here's why. The vendors have really helped us understand this now, because they've all stopped calling bots or robots. And everyone started using the phrase digital workers. And if you think about a workforce, your digital workforce is going to end up quite like your human workforce. You're going to have mixtures of digital workers that are expensive and digital workers that are quite cheap. You're going to have digital workers that are real experts at doing certain jobs, and you're going to have generalists. You're going to have digital workers that sit next to you on your desktop and ones that are basically a completely different workforce in another country. And that mixture, and particularly the price point actually, is why it's not going to be a winner-takes-all market. And we're already seeing that. Companies that have RPA at scale, by and large, have got more than one bot vendor in play. And actually they're looking at more, not less. And that's something that the procurement teams need to understand too. That the job of procurement now isn't to choose an RPA tool. It is to procure a quiver of digital worker capabilities. Just like HR skills up the human side of the organisation, you've got to skill up the digital worker side of the organisation. And if you do that, then you'll win out. And actually, that's why RPA isn't going to be a winner-takes-all market. Thanks, and I'll see you all soon.